thing's hard. Oh, look at the water coming out. Look it. Oh. Watch the trees here, guys. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh yeah. Humvee, right through the middle. Central Florida Eco Safaris, dude. Look at the horses. 16 hands. Oh, and the goats. Yeah, perfect. That's good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh, brand new, dude. Look at that. Brand new. No metal shavings. Clean. Look at that. Well, that's the rear differential. Woo, you can smell it. You smell it?
For EV. Doesn't work.
But it just smells like shit. I love that smell.
Yeah. Perfect.
You ready? Hey, yo, we're here and we're just riding on the channel. We're here, Cassandra, where we're riding at. Well, the sand's a little soft. This is beautiful, by the way. Marcus, you're FaceTiming me? This is so sick. Look at this. This is beautiful. Beautiful trails, dude. A beautiful day. Oh, God is awesome. We got the rig out here. We got a little soft sand. No problem for the mud grabs. Maybe. We'll figure that out another day. This is sick. Wow. So we got over here too. Never really been here, but it's in like Cocoa Beach. Or Cocoa, Florida. That's where it's at. It's kind of like a little off-road destination. Beautiful land. Beautiful water, creeks. We got Marcus over there. We got some friends. Oh, we got a picnic table over here too, y'all. We can eat. This is a perfect spot. And then we got some dirt bike friends over there. Those dirt bikes were so nice. We got little dog prints. Friends over there. It's pretty cool. This is beautiful. We got to see how soft the sand is in the water. I could probably go through that. We'll see if we can go through that. We got Marcus on the Grizzly. Cassandra on the Grizzly. And then we got the Defender. And then we have some other friends coming out with some Raptors. Keep you up. Rock crawling off a trailer in the middle. I forgot where we're at. Yeah! Alright, time to get the Grizzly down. Let's do it. First, we gotta do this. First, we gotta put these things a little in more. Because you know, she's not a wide girl. Oh. It's alright. You have that on the little jobs. You go like that. You just push that in like that. And it's good like that. And let's see if we're wide enough. I think we're good there, y'all. Let's see. Okay, we got Marcus Cassandra on the wheel. Oh, we got a heavy cooler. We don't have to pee. Marcus has to pee. He's over there. Alright. That should fit right here. Marcus, you gotta get the Grizzly down. Oh, I got it? I got you glass. Oh, sick. The razors are nice. Nice ATV. Got a turbo R. Marcus, your glasses.
Oh, thanks, bro.
All right, let's do this. Oh, here, Sandra. You come, bro. You can ride the Defender Daddy with me. I'm gonna flip it up. It's gonna flip. Watch, we're wide enough. All right, it's all right. When we flip, we have it on. All right, let's see. We're gonna rock crawl off the trailer here. Oh, no, that's a glass.
The leader.
All right, we got a sir on right here. He's gonna attempt wheelies. You got it? You got it, brother? That's all right. There you go, there you go. Doing a little burnout. Do a little burnout. A little burnout. Almost, almost. Hey! Let's go. Okay, okay, there you go. Hey! That's sick. Marcus on the 700 Raptor? What does he think he is right now? Oh my gosh, I almost hit a tree. We got a Jeep behind us. This is sick. Well, y'all, we're in some off-road I don't even know what I'm saying right now. All right, we got a little lake here, monsoon. Don't know if we're gonna try that out. Not sure. I'll keep you updated if we do. We got bikes over there. We got Marcus ripping the 700 though. Yeah, Marcus, do a wheelie like you do the wheelie. You're rusty? That is sick. That is sick. We got Cassandra on the Grizzly though? On the boat. Over there. Look at the dog. That is cool. Tita. There's a side-by-side. I think so nice. Stock, bone stock.
It looks like no.
The Jeep getting stuck? The Jeep's getting stuck. JK. He's going through the dirt like nothing. There you go. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Heck yeah! Woo! Look at that bike. That thing is nice. Do a wheelie! Do a wheelie! Where'd Marcus go? Marcus, go to the water! Go to the water! Tell me go to the water! He's gonna sit now. Oh yeah! Oh! Look at the pile! I know, right? We should. The bonfire. Oh, Marcus! There's not even any dust. Let's freaking go. We don't even need glasses. Wow, that's insane. Watch the little muddy trails. Oh, we went that way. He went that way. Marcus, where'd you go? There he went. We went through water. Oh, this is nothing but River Ranch. Heck yeah, go, go, go! Oh no! Oh no! Now we got Let's see if it drops. I don't think it's that deep. Can it be that deep? It's not even in the floorboard. Woo! Where'd Marcus go? Where did it go? Oh yeah. Yo, why is it so confusing here? Where do you want to go?
Someone has to remember the way back.
We're gonna get lost. Oh my god, I can't fit through here. Oh wow, that's tight. Wow, that's tight. Oh, a little water sprinkle on her face. 360 cam. Oh, to the poultry. Yo, roots. find them. None of this water's deep.
Yeah, no.
Oh, this is sick. Look at all these trees.
What about here? You think it's deep here?
I don't know.
No.
Which way? That way? Let's go that way. Oh, look at that mud. There's so much mud. This is like putt-putt compared to River Edge. Oh, Mario's creeping through. I can't fit through there. I can't fit through there. Looks like we're going right through the middle. Wow.
Not at all.
That's 15. Where'd they go? They're lost in the Jumanji River. Where the heck did they go? Oh, wait for him at the trailhead over here. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. I spotted him. Watch your head here. Watch it just boom. We
Yeah,
fell down. Marcus. Why does it look so deceiving, but it's not? Oh, Marcus almost flipped. There you go. There you go. Yeah, Raptor 700. Africa. We just made it to Africa. Bro, this is so sick. This is sick. This is sick. Bro, follow, follow. This is all dry. And then this is bad. Look at the Can-Am and the Hondas.
Any gators?
Watch me just fall. Oh, we find gators. I see.
Yeah.
This is like airboat land.
Now,
Yeah, it's gonna get pretty bad here.
even when you think it's soft, it's really not terribly not bad. Like it's not that soft.
It's wetlands, baby.
There's gators.
You think we got it with the trail tires? With the trail tires? Oh no, it's getting soft. Look at this, we're in the wilderness. That's soft there. That's softity soft there. Marcus, go through here. It's shallow. I'm gonna go through it. All right, ready for this? Let's do it. All right, it's pretty bad here, y'all. Can we make it through? That's deep. Oh no, it's soft. It's soft. It's soft. That's soft. That's soft. Let's back up before we get through in here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, record this. We're flipping. We're flipping. We're flipping. Oh my. Yo, come over here. This is so bad. This is bad here. Oh my god. We got the Razors over there. We got Marcus. We got the Raptor 700. Dude, look at this wilderness. I'm gonna try someone to follow us. Ah, dude, that's too much. We're not making it. We're not making it. See? Oh shit, we fell into it. Shit, we fell into it. We fell into it. We fell into it. Oh my gosh, we just fell into it. Wow, it doesn't even pick up the angle of what we're in. Cassandra's falling right now. We're dumping the boat right now. All right, let's get out. Here, you wanna drive it out? You wanna drive it out?
No.
No? Yo, the Peter, we're dumping the boat right now. Just dumping our jet ski. All right, let's take the jet ski out. Oh, easy money. Let's go, the Outlander. Perfect. First thing in the hole, you think we got that? Think we got that, Cassandra? Yeah? All right, let's see. Oh, yeah. Damn, little reverse action. Two-wheel drive, two-wheel peel. Hell yeah, brother. Putting in the water, man. Oh, that one's deep. That one's deep. Oh, the Rangers are going ham over there. They're going ham. Oh, wow, that was a deep hole. Wow, it must have been a log there or something. Oh, we're flipping. Oh, throttle. Lean forward. Yo, step on the front frame. Step on the front frame. There you go, look. Throttle. Go. Hold on, light throttle.
It says nasty, boy.
Yeah, let me get the winch. I got you. How much I got you?
Max's tires.
Yeah, the Maxi.
Yo, Max's tires.
I got you, brother. Yo, you got that. I got you, brother. 5 hours. I know what I got. Oh, the razor. Let me get straight. It's shallow. Heck yeah. Shallow. Go through the mud, baby. We're cooked. You good?
Yep. Oh.
Oh yeah, we're cooked. Never mind. Reverse. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty shallow. That's shallow. Just hug the right. Hug that side. I promise it's shallow. Hug that side. There you go. Yep. First gear. Go. Easy money. We're at Yamaha. Mud fenders doing the job. That is bleach, not mud. Yeah, power, drive, driven. Oh, wow, that was deep over there. Oh, power, great determination. I told you, yeehaw. They're like very tight. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, watch your face. All right, once again, power. You know what this is. Put it in the comments. Great determination. Oh my god. Yeah. 40-acre lake, baby. It's true. It says what?
Their sticker says space money.
Oh, that's sick. Oh, look at Turbo R. Space money. That's freaking Elon Musk. Let's go. We got a whole crew. We got the Talon. This is sick. Come on. We're gonna go do the oh wow, the Outlander. This is sick. Look at that turbo. That's a nice Razor. Turbo R. The Ranger. Oh, look at the Ranger Ian. We're gonna follow the Ranger. Actually, we'll just follow our crew. Actually, you know what? Never mind. Oh, look at this. This is nice trails. Heck yeah. Oh, the Outlander. Oh, not the Outlander. This looks like Hogwalder. You got it. Oh yeah, it's walking. Oh yeah, there you go. The Honda Talon with the mud grass. Oh trucking. Wow, this is some nice water. Oh, look how deep. Oh, you got everything? Oh yeah, wheelie bang. Pick him up! Oh wow, that's deep! That is deep! That is deep! You got a razor? Pick him up! Pick him up!
That is still going.
Yeah. Tell him with the Can-Am wheels. You're in two-wheel drive. You can't get through. Hold on, hold on, hold on. We're gonna find a way. We're getting the 700 through right now. We're almost at the boot line. Oh, bro, you are good. Damn it, I got the boot wet. There you go, there you go. Perfect. Oh, I get it, you're good. Throttle, power, power. Let's go. Oh. How'd you like driving, Cassandra?
It was fun. I liked
Nice. How'd you like being passenger getting money?
it. Good.
Watch your faces though. Oh my gosh. Oh, nice fence there. All right, here we go, y'all. Power, grit, and determination. All right, I think we're gonna have to go to the middle. We're not gonna fit, y'all. We're not gonna fit. Okay, we're gonna go to the middle. Sorry, y'all. All right, y'all, hold your horses and we're gonna go through. Wow, this is... Oh, they're on their feet.
Oh.
Look at them right there, the fishies. Where are they at? Do you see them over there? I don't see them over there. Oh my gosh. Oh, I see them. I see them. Watch the trees here, guys. Oh my gosh. My goodness. Oh, our buddies are waiting for us. Oh, oh wow. Oh wow, yeah, we're not fitting anymore. Oh wow.
I think we got it.
Yeah, we got it? Oh! Jeez, wow. Guys, we just fit. We made it out. We are at a beach. We are at an ocean. Wow, this is a nice little serene ocean here. Nice hangout with the bros and the girls. Wow, we're in a full-on ocean right now. Two-wheel letter E. Sick. Sick. Two-stroke power. Oh, look at the wheelie, look at the wheelie. Hell yeah. I love that sound of that song. That thing sounds so good. That thing...
Rip that shit, boy.
Oh, renegade! Heck yeah! Water skip life, baby! Alright, we're not gonna get out of this. Because this is nothing.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Heck yeah!
God damn. I'm going crazy.
Oh my gosh, that's enough for now. That's sick. This bike is back. Got the 700. Best bike
bro.
Drop it over there. Bro, I haven't been on one of these since I was literally probably 14, 15. Bring it over there. What? Run the Jeep, bring it. Assassinators
Yo,
eat.
look at the fucking Jeep, bro.
That Jeep is freaking cool.
Look at the guy inside.
That thing is fresh. Chase him down! Chase him down! You almost had it! You almost had it! Hey! Hey! Walk it! Oh! The 450 versus the 700. Honda boat! Honda boat! Yeah, baby! That thing's hard! Oh, look at the water coming out! Look at the water coming out of the engine! Pop it, pop it! Yeah, let's go! Honda 450, working it, 450 working it. How about the Yami? 450, working it. Oh, no. No! First gear, first gear. Wow. Oh, the Honda got the worst! Heck yeah. Almost.
Defender Diddy to the rescue. Defender Diddy. Defender Diddy. Defender Diddy.
Yeah, we can walk on all of this. The water looks pretty clean.
Dead fish right there.
Yeah, look at that dead fish. That's a big one. Bet.
I feel like not a lot of people go this way. Oh, fuck.
I got you. I'm gonna save you right now. We got a little fishy? Oh, look at that little guy.
I gotta put it back in the water, bro.
Aw. Put him in the water? Alrighty. Alright, here we go. Here, Marcus.
All right, second time.
Second?
Oh shit! Yo, man, chill.
Hold on, open up.
It's gonna flip, man. A little bit, babe. A little bit. There you go. There you go, babe. Darling, keep going. Keep going, baby.
Good job, recovery team.
Recovery team.
Fuck this shit, bro.
Recovery team.
Let's go.
Fuck this shit.
Bro, Marcus. You're good. Lean back. You're good. You're good.
What?
Lean back. You're good. You're good.
What?
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Dude.
The grizzly. The grizzly. Bro, easy money. Look at the light bar. It's still on. Did it get wet? Heck yeah. Yeah. Honda boat. Honda boat. Honda boats work. Let the Honda boat work. Basically a jet ski. Basically a jet ski. Humvee. Right through the middle. Right through the middle. You got a snorkel. Come on. Damn. That's bad to the boat. Wow.